Hey guys, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Jyoti. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check out on all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Okay, so as you're watching this right now, the Amazon Prime sale is currently live. It's on for 2 days. That's the 6th and the 7th. And these days Amazon has been like my go-to for so many products. Not only for new fashion and beauty products, but also all my like basic essentials which I need to keep on restocking on. So I thought, why not do this little haul? I've shopped a couple of things already so that you guys can maybe get some inspiration for the sale. And apart from that, I also will be restocking on my basics. These special sales are like a great way to do that. Above the sale, I'm also going to be sharing like a one-step process through which you can save even more money. So yeah, I'm really excited for today's video. Okay, so most of the packages I already opened them up because you had to discard the outer packaging. I hope you guys are being very careful with that, but I have kept the inner packaging just to show you a little bit of glimpse of how products from these companies arrive. Also, another thing, apart from showing you guys like branded products, I also found some products from some local brands and sellers. It's high time we start supporting them. I've done a previous Amazon haul also, and even in that I tried to keep as many as local brands as possible. So this is the first product that came. It's very nicely packaged. It's a really nice blouse, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, this is like even more prettier in real life. This costed me less than 450 rupees. Again, it's from a local brand. I will be putting up all the details here as well as in the description box. And look how pretty this is. So it's a really nice blouse with slits at the side, and they are also embellished with these pearl buttons. You also have a tie around the cuff. Now talking about the quality, honestly, if you're looking for tops in a budget, it's pretty good. It's not at all transparent, and the material could have been a little more softer, but I think what you're paying for and then the design and everything you're receiving, honestly this could be a really nice Shein alternative brand. And what I also think, this will be really cool for if you're like virtually working from home and it's pretty formal for a blouse, but yet has like that small statement twist to it, just to add that edge of fashion and just when you want a little pick me up. Moving on, I am so excited for this top. Like, I can't even begin to say. I'm so happy with the packaging, which is why I kept it. Okay, so this is literally from a local brand made in India. So proud. And you guys, once you see the design, you'll be like, whoa, this can easily give competition to your Shein type of brands. So this is what the top looks like. It's a simple black top with really nice statement sleeves, guys, and this again costed me less than rupees 400. It has a nice zipper enclosure at the back, and I was really impressed to find like something more fashionable, more edgy from one of our local sellers on Amazon. These sleeves are really puffy. Talking about the quality, I like this fabric. It's of a pretty good quality. Like, it's not cheap, whether it's in the looks of it or if it's when you touch it. And again guys, these basics with like a little bit of a twist are my favorite things ever. Even though these sleeves might be a little bit overboard, but who cares? If you're having a virtual celebration, this is a really good pick for that. Okay, what category do we move on to next? I do have a few clothing things left, like dresses and stuff, but I'm going to move on to shoes. So moving on now, I wanted to share this branded product that I got. Again, just to emphasize on the sale and how you can, just restock your basics. So I got these shoes from Puma, and this is how they look like. Oh my god, they are stunning. So we did get this from a store, but why I wanted to share with you guys is because I was casually browsing through Amazon, again looking for sale deals, and I saw this. Oh my god, it is available at such a good price. It's a really nice satin glossy finish all over, and then it has the ribbon for laces. And I think when I saw it on Amazon, I was like, this is such a good deal, and if you guys want to get your hands on it, then it's such a good option. Okay, before we move on, I quickly wanted to introduce our sponsor for today's video, and that is Paisa Vapis. First of all, a thank you from me for sponsoring this video. But they are the reason that you're gonna save even more during this sale and even after that. In fact, in the past also I've talked about how just adding one step to your online shopping can literally help you save so much more money. Instead of just directly going on Amazon, there basically just comes an additional one step through which you get cashback right into your account. So what I will be doing is I'll be mentioning all the product links that I got in the description box below, and they will take you to the Paisa Vapas website, and then you click on this orange button which takes you to the Amazon website. You do have to sign up or log into the Paisa Vapas website, but then you are redirected to the Amazon website. And apart from getting all these products at crazy prices because of the Amazon sale, you will be getting additional cashback of 6%. Once you place the order, the cashback is automatically within 2-3 days transferred to either a gift card or bank account, whatever you choose for. And that's it. Okay, let's move on. So the next thing that I got, it's a dress, and it's again so pretty. Now I know you may not have the perfect opportunity to wear a dress. That is why I tried to find the most simplest and like a practical dress, and this is what I came across. It's a really pretty, almost floor length dress, and it's sleeveless, and on the front it has this really nice frill. So again, the day you want to dress up and maybe wear a dress, I think this is a really good option. And this is from like an Amazon brand called as Symbol. I've been seeing this popping up a lot, so I thought, why not try it? And the MRP says around 2300, but I got this for around 650. The material, though it's not soft, it is polyester, so I am okay with that in this particular dress. But in case that's something you're not comfortable with, then keep that in mind. But yeah, overall I think I really like it. I love this blushed tone of pink, and I really like the way this looks. Coming to the category which I desperately need, like dresses and all are fine, but majority of my time is in my pajamas. And before the lockdown, I don't think we really invested in cute pajamas, like not all the time. Now I thought that let me go see if there are any cute pajamas available out there. So I decided to invest in some good quality ones because I did want them to be super comfortable. So the first thing I found was this shirt dress from Amante. Now when I saw it in the picture, I thought it was a set, and I was like, wow, 1000 rupees for an Amante set, and the quality also looked pretty decent, was pretty good, but I did not read it carefully. It was just this top. Having said that, when I actually saw the quality of this one, I've not tried out Amante products. This was the first time shopping from them, but oh my god, like this is of such nice quality. It is so soft. I did love the color, and on top of that it had like satin finishes. So there's one here at the collar, then even on the pocket you have this really nice satin finish, and I really do think I'm going to be keeping this. The MRP on this says 1700 for just this top. Also, you can maybe just wear it like a lounge shirt with just shorts or something, or you can go ahead and buy the pajamas separately. And the next product again from Amante was this really cute romper. It's as comfortable as a nightwear, but it's pretty dressed up too. I love the little drawstring detail it has, and there's lace detailing here as well as on the top. And again, I love the color, love the quality, super soft. Moving on to the last section. Now for beauty, again, there weren't any new requirements as such for me, but what I am going to do in this sale is I'm going to restock on a couple of things that I've loved during this period. First thing I'm going to be restocking on is my Garnier Micellar water. I'm using this pretty often to deep clean my skin, and it has suited like my dry skin type really well. Gone through so many of these, so even during the sale I think I'll be restocking on this. The next thing is this L'Oreal Paris serum. Again, I go through these like crazy. I have dry hair. And the last thing which I wanted to share with you is this perfume from Miniso. I got this from their offline store. I have loved this so much, and I was so surprised when I saw Miniso online. Pretty sweet, and as I said, it's subtle, so even if you're at home it won't overpower everything. So yeah guys, that brings me to the end of this video. A huge shout out to Paisa Vapas. All the product links are in the description box, and no matter what category you're planning to shop, even if you have things to restock, and just do it through Paisa Vapas' website so that you can save even more money on top of everything else. Let me know your favorite product. What did you like most? What are you planning to buy this sale season? Even if you're going for restocking your basics, let me know that down in the comments box. And yeah, any other questions, ideas, thoughts, feedback you may have, please drop them down in the comments box, and I shall see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.